Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency, where we make learning Japanese fun and easy. I'm Raj, and in today's lesson, we are diving into JLPT in 5 vocabulary memory quiz game. Hajimemashou! For the game instructions, Syntakushi kara tadashi kotai o erande kudasai. Please choose the correct answer from the options. Ichiban, Senshu de pato ni kaimono ni ikimashita. 1. 先週 2. 先週 3. 前週 4. 前週 The correct answer is 2. 先週 Last week, I went shopping at the department store. 先週 means last week. The other options are incorrect because they do not match the meaning of last week. 2番 ご飯の後で散歩します。1. 次 2. 後ろ 3. 前 4. 後 The correct answer is 4. Ato. After the meal, I will take a walk. Ato de means after. The other options are incorrect as they do not mean after. Tsugi means next. Ushiro means behind. And mae means before or in front of. Sangbang. Mo ichido ite kudasai. 1. Ite. 2. Kite. 3. Matte. 4. Tate. The correct answer is 1. Ite. Please say it once more. Ite means say. The other options do not fit the context. Kite means cut. Mate means wait. And tate means stand. Yobang, chikaku ni yama ga arimasu. 1. Kawa. 2. Yama. 3. Ike. 4. Ume. The correct answer is 2. Yama. There is a mountain nearby. Yama means mountain. The other options are incorrect as Kawa means river, Ike means pond, and Ume means sea. Gobang, kono hotero wa hiya ga ui desu. 1. Sukunai. 2. Uoi. 3. Simai. 4. Hiroi. The correct answer is 2. Uoi. This hotel has many rooms. Uoi means many. The other options are incorrect. Sukunai means few. Simai means narrow. And hiroi means wide. 6番、友達と一緒に学校に行きます。1、学校。2、学校。3、学校。4、学校。The correct answer is 3、学校。I go to school with my friends. 学校 means school. The other options are incorrect variations of the word. 7番、鉛筆が6本あります。1、6本。2、6本。3、6本。4. Rubbon. The correct answer is 3. Ruppon. There are 6 pencils. Ruppon means is the correct counter for 6 long cylindrical objects like pencils. The other options are incorrect variations of the counter. Hachibang. Kono shinbun wa ikura desu ka? 1. Shinmun. 2. Shinbun. 3. Shimun. 4. Shibun. The correct answer is Shinbun. Ni. How much is this newspaper? Shinbun means newspaper. The other options are incorrect spellings. Kyubang. Kono kamera wa yasui desu. 1. 高い 2. 安い 3. 重い 4. 軽い The correct answer is 安い This camera is cheap. Yasui means cheap or inexpensive. The other options means takai means expensive. Omoi means heavy and karoi means light. 10番 Kasa wa soto ni arimasu. 1. 家 2. 中 3. 外 4. 庭 The correct answer is 3. 外 The umbrella is outside. Soto means outside. The other option means iye means house. Naka means inside. And niwa means garden. 11番 Kesa shawa o abimashita. 1. シャワー 2. シャワー 3. チョワ 4. チャワ The correct answer is 1. Shower. I took a shower this morning. Shower means shower. The other options are incorrect transcriptions. 12番 コーヒーを飲みました。1. 飲みました。2. 飲みました。3. 噛みました。4. 飲みました。The correct answer is 飲みました。124 I drank coffee. 飲みました means drunk. 13番新しい衣を買いました。1. 衣 2. タコ 3. 衣 4. 衣 The correct answer is 衣 134 I bought a new car. Kuruma means car. The other options taco means table. 14番この帽子は1000円です。1. 船内 2. 潜入 3. 千冊 4. 千円 The correct answer is 4. 千円 This hat is 1,000 yen. N means yen. The other options are incorrect units. 15番宿題が半分終わりました。The correct answer is 半分 Half of the homework is finished. 半分 means half. The other options are identical or have the same reading. 16番私のお家に来ませんか The correct answer is 来ませんか Would you like to come to my house? 来ませんか means won't you come? The other options are incorrect kanji or identical. 17番 K の田中さんとブランク会いました。1、見ました。2、書きました。3、会いました。4、話しました。The correct answer is 3、会いました。 Yesterday, I met with Mr. Tanaka. The verb aimashita means met. The correct kanji for met in this context is I. The other option don't fit the context. Mimashita would mean saw, but the correct verb form is mimashita. Kakimashita is incorrect and should be kakimashita, meaning wrote. Hanashimashita means talked, which doesn't fit the sentence structure for met. Johachibang. Imoto to onaji fuku blank kaimashita. 1. 同じ 2. 開示 3. 同じ 4. 開示 The correct answer is 同じ Ichi-san. My little sister and I bought the same clothes. The phrase 同じ fuku means the same clothes. The correct kanji for same is 同じ. The options kaiji means times or instances, which doesn't fit the context of the sentence. 19番私の部屋はこのブランクの2階です。My room is on the second floor of this. 1. エレベーター 2. プール 3. エアコン 4. アパート The correct answer is 4. アパート The correct choice is apartment because it makes sense to say that your room is on the second floor of an apartment building. 20番佐藤さんはギターを上手にblank. Mr. Sato skillfully blank the 1. 歌います sing 2. 聞きます listen 3. 弾きます play 4. 遊びます The correct answer is 3. 弾きます play. Hikimas means to play an instrument which fits the context of the playing a guitar. 21番テーブルにお皿と箸をください。Please blank the plates and chopsticks on the 1. 並べて arrange 2. 取って take 3. 食べて eat 4. 洗って wash The correct answer is 1. 並べて arrange Narabete means to arrange, which makes sense when setting the table with plates and chopsticks. 22番今朝掃除をしたから部屋は blank です。Because I cleaned this morning, the room is blank. 1. きれい clean 2. 汚い dirty 3. 明るい bright 4. 暗い dark The correct answer is 1. きれい clean Kirei means clean, which fits the context of having cleaned the room. 23番今日は500泳ぎました。Today I swam 500 blank. 1. Do times 2. Bang times or number 3. Metro meters 4. Gramo grams The correct answer is 3. Metro meters Metro or meters is the appropriate unit of measurement for swimming distance? Nijo Yongbang. Iki kara taishikan made no blank wo kaite kudasai. Please draw a blank from the station to the embassy. 1. 写真 photo 2. 地図 map 3. 手紙 letter 4. 切符 ticket. The correct answer is 2. 地図 map. Chezu means map, which makes sense for providing directions from the station to the embassy. Ni Jugubang. Urosai kara terebe o kodasai. Because it is loud, please blank the 1. Kishite turned off. 2. Tsukete turn on. 3. Shimete close. 4. Akite open. The correct answer is 1. Kishite turned off. Keshite means to turn off, which makes sense if the TV is loud and you want it to be turned off. 26番 今日は blank が降っています。Today blank is falling. 1. 曇り cloudy 2. 晴 sunny 3. 風 wind 4. 雪 snow. The correct answer is 4. Yuki snow. Yuki means snow, which fits the context of something falling from the sky. 27番 Hako ni ringo ga blank arimasu. There are blank apples in the 1. Yutsu 4 2. Itsutsu 5 3. Motsu 6 4. Nanatsu 7. The correct answer is 2. Itsutsu 5. Itsutsu 5. The picture shows 5 apples in the box, so the correct answer is Itsutsu. 28番 Migani wa tsukoi no blank ni arimasu. The glasses are blank the desk. 1. Soba beside 2. Yoko next to 3. Shita under 4. Ue on. The correct answer is 4. Ue on. The picture shows the glasses on top of the desk, so the correct answer is ue on. 29番 Maiban ko ni no kazuko ne denwa shimasu. Every night I call my family in my home. 1. 夜は時々こにの家族に電話します。Sometimes at night I call my family in my home country. 2. 朝は時々こにの家族に電話します。Sometimes in the morning I call my family in my home country. 3. 夜はいつもこにの家族に電話します。Always at night I call my family in my home country. 4. 朝はいつもこにの家族に電話します。Always in the morning, I call my family in my home country. The correct answer is 3. 夜はいつもこにの家族に電話します。Always at night, I call my family in my home country. The statement says that every night the speaker calls their family in their home country. Therefore, the correct answer is sang. Yoru wa itsumo koni no kazoko ni denwa shimasu. Always at night I call my family in my home country. Sanjuban. Kono machi ni wa yume na tatemono ga arimasu. 1. この町には有名なビルがあります。In this town, there are famous buildings. 2. この町には有名なお茶があります。In this town, there is famous tea. 3. この町には有名なケーキがあります。In this town, there are famous cakes. 4. この町には有名な公園があります。In this town, there is a famous park. The correct answer is 1. この町には有名なビルがあります。In this town, there are famous buildings. The statement says that in this town there are famous buildings. Therefore, the correct answer is 1. この町には有名なビルがあります。In this town, there are famous buildings. 31番。その映画は面白くなかったです。That movie was not interesting. 1. その映画は楽しかったです。That movie was fun. 2. その映画はつまらなかったです。That movie was boring. 3. その映画は短かったです。That movie was short. 4. その映画は長かったです。That movie was long. The correct answer is 2. その映画はつまらなかったです。That movie was boring. The statement says that the movie was not interesting. The opposite of interesting, omoshiroi, is boring, tsumaranai. Therefore, the correct answer is 2. その映画はつまらなかったです. That movie was boring. 32番。誕生日は6月15日です. My birthday is June 15. 1. 6月15日に結婚しました. I got married on June 15. 2. 6月15日にテストが始まりました. The test started on June 15. 3. 6月15日に生まれました. I was born on June 15. 4. 6月15日に国へ帰りました. I returned to my home country on June 15. The correct answer is 3. 6月15日に生まれました. I was born on June 15. The statement says that the birthday is June 15. Therefore, the correct answer is 3. 6月15日に生まれました. I was born on June 15. 33番。2年前に京都へ行きました. 1. 昨日京都へ行きました. I went to Kyoto yesterday. 2. おととい京都へ行きました. I went to Kyoto the day before yesterday. 3. 去年京都へ行きました. I went to Kyoto last year. 4. おととし京都へ行きました. I went to Kyoto 2 years ago. The correct answer is 4. おととし京都へ行きました. I went to Kyoto 2 years ago. The statement says that the person went to Kyoto 2 years ago. Therefore, the correct answer is 4. おととし京都へ行きました. I went to Kyoto 2 years ago. Thank you for playing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to review these points and try using them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Mata ne!